What up mga kabuli? Let's talk about freshwater generator. Bulil nose.
Water generator. So here, we have salinometer. This device detects saltiness of fresh water that we produce on freshwater generator. Usually, we set this 10 ppm. If the water becomes 10 ppm, it gives an alarm. We have also the power of ejector pump, freshwater pump, main switch, and confirmation alarm. So let's go to the diagram. So here we have jacket cooling water from main engine. We use this to boil the seawater. But to boil the water, we need 100 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure. So we all know that the pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So if we lower the pressure, we can lower the temperature. Here, eductor. This one has the ability to make vacuum. Because of this, we can lower the pressure inside. So, we can lower also the temperature, the boiling point. Here, we have condenser and evaporator side. The evaporated seawater moisture will go up and pass through filter or what you call demister and goes to the condenser to cool and become fresh water and pump out by our freshwater pump, and it goes to freshwater tank. And here we have a salinometer sensor. If the salinometer sensor detects higher ppm, the solenoid valve here will activate and the flow will go to the bilge instead of freshwater tank. Let's start. So first, open the inlet and outlet of ejector pump and overboard valve. Also, we have vacuum valve here. We close this one if we operate the freshwater generator. We open to release the vacuum inside. So okay, now we can turn on the power. So set point now is 10. Start the ejector pump.
What up mga kabulil, nagbabalik na talaga yung tunay na bulil, no? So yan na, dumaloy na, nabomba na yung, na-start na natin yung ejector pump. Dumaloy na yung seawater sa condenser, spring-loaded valve, may orifice din dyan, papunta sa evaporator side. Yung overflow nyan, tsaka mga brine, mapupunta, bubombahin ng eductor. Nagkikreate na tayo ng vacuum, yan, meron tayong vacuum gauge, yan, vacuum percent. So usually ito 3 to 4 bars yan flow natin. Yan, may safety valve din tayo dyan at non-return. Itong linya na to, yan, dyan dumadaan yung hinihigop ng eductor para mag-create ng vacuum. Tsaka dyan din dumadaan yung overflow ng fresh water natin. Negative 98 na. So din tayong mag-open ng jacket water cooling. Unahin mo natin ang outlet and then ang inlet. Yeah. Pag mag-ooperate ka nyan, dahan-dahan lang. So, i-close natin dahan-dahan. Yung pink na yan, indication na kumulo na. May nag-evaporate na ang seawater, no? May production na tayo. Yung overflow niya, nigop ng eductor pump. Fully close muna natin yung bypass, no? So, next, paandarin na natin ang freshwater pump natin. So, pandarin natin. Pwede natin testingin 10 ppm alarm. I-on lang natin tong alarm. Pindutin natin ng test 10 ppm. Na-testing natin, gumagana yung alarm. So, confirm lang. Paano naman i-stop? So, i-reverse lang natin. I-start natin yung freshwater pump. So, stop natin. So, pagkatapos stop, i-open na natin yung bypass. Inlet muna bago ang outlet. Papaandarin muna natin ang ejector pump ng mga 10 to 15 para ma-cool down ang freshwater generator natin. So assuming na 10 to 15 minutes na, o pwede na natin i-stop. And then, open natin ang vacuum valve. Close natin ang inlet-outlet ng ejector at overboard valve. O para sa mga kabulil natin dyan, bulil nose!
We all know that the pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So,